Okay. IJEBU State Creation Implementation Committee has appealed to President Bola Tinubu and the fair-minded National Assembly members to toe the path of justice by considering IJEBU State with Ijebu-Ode as the capital in the next state creation agenda. The chairman of the committee, Chief Chris Olufumilola Okonowo Bobashowa, the second of Ijebuland, made this appeal during a press conference in Ijebu-Ode. Anthony Gadonu has the details of the event held at the Afin Awojale of Ijebuland.
The press conference, according to the chairman, IJEBU State Creation Implementation Committee, who is also the Bobashowa II of Ijebuland, Chief Chris Okonowo, was to brief the press on how far the committee has gone on the mandate given to it on the creation of IJEBU State with capital in Ijebu-Ode.
Preoccupation of this press conference is the demand for the creation of IJEBU State out of the present Ogun East Senatorial District of Ogun State, synonymous with the old Ijebu province, with Ijebu-Ode as the proposed state capital. The demand has been submitted to the National Assembly Constitution Review Committee by the IJEBU State Creation Implementation Committee.
Speaking further, the chairman said although the Remo Division enthusiasm, who previously accepted positions of Ijebu State and Ijebu-Ode as the state capital, waned down after the joint submission of memoranda in line with the criteria for creation of a new state, but the Ijebu people have to continue the struggle.
We also wish to reiterate that the quest for Ijebu State is fundamentally born out of the genuine desire of Ijebu people of the old Ijebu province that was unjustly merged with the old Abeokuta province in February 1976 to form the present.
Responding to questions from journalists, the sponsor of the new IJEBU State Creation Bill in the National Assembly, Senator Gbenga Daniel, who is also representing Ijebu East Senatorial District, acknowledged that in democracy, the minority have their say while the majority have their way.
What is more important? If we're able to get two states, oh, beautiful. But if we are not able to get two, our job is to make sure that as much as possible, we unite all our people across the divide of the senatorial district.
Two divisions under the defunct Ijebu province are Ijebu and Remo, with 9 local government areas, in which Ijebu division has 6 and Remo division has 3 local government areas. The press conference was attended by royal fathers in Ijebuland and other relevant stakeholders. In Ijebu-Ode, Anthony Gadonu, NTA News.